What y'all think, man? Told y'all, just trust the process. A little at a time. Just a little at a time. Hey, don't adjust the channel. You rocking with your boy Blade. Ain't no telling what we gonna get into today. It's gonna be action packed. I want you to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get the freshest, the hottest, the newest videos. This channel is all about inspiration. It's all about positivity, good energy. But we definitely gonna have fun. We're gonna work hard. We're gonna think smart, but we're gonna have fun more than anything on this channel. But I want y'all to let all your friends know, even your baby mama.
Yeah. Not myself. Wow. See how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I did it. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash her the check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Gotta like wow. Whoa. From racks to the riches. My base is still hitting, been hoping and wishing. These boys politicking, my pockets can't kick it, but still by my business. Yeah. I'm still with the fitness, my perfect attendance. The reason I'm in it, been needing them digits, been feeding the vision, can't stop at the finish. I'm cracking the whip, look at the flick of the wrist. Watch how I fucking your bitch, I hop out the crib. Bet you they like how I live, bet you they loving the kid. I fuck it and dip, know that I'm never gon' slip. Keeping my hand on the grip, been running this shit. As long as I stick to the script, one day I'll be making it hit. Wow, see how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I did it. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash her the check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Gotta like wow. Yeah. See, I've been going through phases, yeah. How your boys liking me lately, yeah. I'm at the crib with your lady.
Oh?
I gotta reach your funder here. Lift it open. Lift it up. Lift it.
Hold on, is one right here?
No, just lift it.
All right. Man, that's red or orange. We got George out here showing us how it's done. What you got here, George, man?
72 Monte Carlo.
72 Monte Carlo.
350 with a turbo 350 transmission.
No AC,
No AC.
but it's there. The box
there.
and everything.
Yeah, I got all the components and everything. Just gotta put the compressor and bracket and get it going.
New brake booster.
Yeah, brake boosters. New. That one was shot.
Did you do a 7? Was that with that change where they do the 12 valve? I mean, was it 12 volt? You know, it was 6 volt and then 12 volt. The electric.
This one came. This one had the 12.
Already in it.
Yeah.
Okay. Because you did 6, it would be a smaller battery, right?
Yeah.
A different type of battery. So this for your amplifier?
Yeah.
What's that? Just your alarm?
That's a horn I have put in.
Train horn?
Cucaracha horn. It plays a little song. I gotta replace those horns though. Yeah.
Man, that radiator looks good.
Yeah, man.
Take it to your show car. That's a big boy radiator, huh?
Yeah. Nah, not this one, Jamie.
Would you say 14 by 7s?
Yes.
That's some stamps?
No, there's 72 spokes. They're China's.
Okay. Man, this thing look good, George. I like that blue.
Yeah.
The blue looks good, man.
There's little flaws in it here and there.
Man.
It's cool, man. Still working on the inside.
Got the wood grain. Man, keeping it all original. You gonna keep the OG interior? I remember that the old school where you got the 2 handles.
Yeah. I ordered my armrest. They're not on because I'm still waiting for them to come in. But as soon as I get
That's new carpet in there.
Yeah, I gotta order my dash too. Got my front seat covers. So I can redo the seat.
What you gonna do, cat skin?
No, just the same. You keep it. I want to keep it.
They starting to have more and more parts for these now, huh? Because they became more popular over the years.
Hey, what?
They got more and more aftermarket parts for these now, huh?
Oh yeah.
The original parts auto group.
Yeah. That's the OPG.
Man, so We gotta get them skirts on there though, George. You gotta put them skirts on there, man. It's all there though. What you call this car? The what? What you call this car?
Monte Carlo.
I thought you had a nickname where Buddy just asked what the car was. You said something like the I don't know what you had just said. La Cucha or something. It was something in Spanish. No, because the dude was just asking you when you cut his hair, and he was like, "Is this your car?" And you was like, "Yeah." I thought you had said it had a nickname. Man, this thing look good.
They don't even know what it is. It's a 66.
Man, it's looking official, man. Man, Jay, you outdid yourself this time, boy. You know, outdid yourself this time, boy. Because I was not feeling that Yamaha at first. I was like, man, that looks gonna have too much of a damn logo on it. Damn, that bitch looking good, man.
It's like a bike now.
Damn, this bitch looking good, man. What y'all think, man? Told y'all, just trust the process. A little at a time. Just a little at a time. New rims, new headlights. New. And what ain't new, he done took his time and polished it up. New seat. New grips. Man, you outdid yourself, Jay. This bitch starting to look more and more like Ghost every day. Take it for a little spin. Oh, okay. I ain't wrote it in a minute. The camera's still going. All right. Let's see if we got that V-touch.
She a little
We got the V-touch. It's hot as fuck outside too. It's hot as fuck outside. Yeah, shut it down, yeah.
got to say, bro?
Man, this bitch running hard, bro.
Yeah, when it gets cooler.
I remember the first time I rode your two-stroke, I didn't know what to expect because I
Yeah.
never rode one that was really riding good and running like how I was supposed to. But yeah, man, I ain't as fast as Ghost yet, but I know I got something that's running how it's supposed to be running. I'm talking about just instantly when I hit that second gear, I can feel it coming up.
Yeah.
Instantly I go in the third. It's crazy because it's like he's not even yelling.
Yeah. And it
I'm
still got
already
more
shifted
tuning.
just to
I
bring it
would
back
just quick tune, you know, bring
Man,
it over here.
This starting to feel like something now. It's starting to look like something, starting to feel like something. But I'm nervous about tearing something up on it now.
Yeah, you just gotta be careful.
Tearing shit up. I got a lot of money into this thing now. You know, when it was just no plastics and just getting going, I wasn't really feeling this way. Now I don't even want to scratch my rims. It's starting to get pretty, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Man,
So,
appreciate you, Jay.
yes, sir.
Appreciate you, man. I couldn't have done this without Jay, man. Y'all check out my boy. Y'all subscribe to his channel. Like his pictures on Instagram. Man, we going viral again with this shit, man.
Like that grill.
Over and over and over and over. Man,
We're gonna say goodbye with that grill.
man.
Wishing these boys politicking, my pockets can't kick it, but still by my business. Yeah, I'm still with the fitness, my perfect attendance. The reason I'm in it, been needing them digits, been feeding the vision, can't stop at the finish. I'm cracking the whip, look at the flick of the wrist.
Man, I got old Slimer back, man. Got Slimer back. Really excited about that. This will be one of the first projects I kind of done completed. That's because I'm always just starting a project, stopping, doing something else, buying something else. But I'm gonna go ahead and unload it. I'm gonna bring it in here. I might load up this station, get it out of here. Time lapse, and then cause I gotta make some room in here, man. Stuff is getting too crowded. I'm gonna go ahead and try to organize this stuff a little bit better. I'm gonna try to organize it just a tad bit better. I'm gonna throw it in time lapse. Move that to there. Get all this stuff up out of here. I ain't gonna put Slimer over there just yet, cause I know I'm gonna be riding it. I'm probably gonna put it at the front. Probably, I don't know, man. But man, I'm hoping that y'all liking this content. Man, I've been working hard on making some really dope content. We're gonna be doing a lot of upgrades on the Banshee. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna start on Monte Carlo. But I'm finna go to Vegas for a few days. And then I get back from Vegas, it's gonna be time to really buckle down on the Monte Carlo. So I'm excited, but y'all gotta stay tuned, man. You gotta subscribe, you gotta hit the notification bell so you'll be a part of the notification squad, man. As y'all can see, it's Texas, mid-July, and it's hot as hell. It's 110, 115 degrees, and then it's humid. You know what I mean? But they saying that Vegas is gonna be hot and it's gonna be a different type of heat. I'm looking forward to that. It's gonna be exciting. First time going to Vegas, but y'all gotta stay tuned to the channel, man. All that stuff coming.
Wow, see how they jacking my style. How your boys liking me now? I could've quit, but I didn't. I just been flexing my fitness like wow. Wait till I hop in the jack. Wait till I got me a bag. Wait till I cash out a check. Telling my mama I'm next. Gotta like wow. Yeah. See, I've been going through phases, yeah. How your boys liking me lately, yeah. I'm at the crib with your lady, yeah. Yes, I just got off vacation, yeah. Wish I didn't let these boys make it, nah. Wish I didn't let these boys make it, nah. Now I'm just losing my patience, yeah. Wait till they calling me big dog. Wait till I'm popping off Chris. I've been popping, she bopping, I skirt off. When that money right, I'ma take off. Long nights gonna pay off. Take flight, fuck a day job. Tastes right when it's all yours. And my aim tight, y'all don't want war.